me know when we're good.
Okay, here's the shot. It's raining at Pelican Point. We're under the shitter between 13 and 14. Mohsan has taken a top flight, teed it up on a cup from the water cooler. He's 106 yards away from the green, 14 green, and he's got A7 sand wedge. Try to hit it off the cup onto the green.
Tough shot, Robbie.
Let me get where I can see. Is it good?
All over it. Look at it.
Wow.
Wow! Fuck yes, 10 feet!
Dude, that's inside 10 feet. God, I wish.
Turn towards your face. You're like, you're not going to believe this.
I want to run up there.
Go run up there. If the rain stops, go. Go, go, go.
Just so they know we're not joking. That's actually about 12 feet. Still an unbelievable shot. We'll try another one.